world, and to the amazing event that you're about to take part in. The World Rowing Junior Championships this year, I think, is a very special event for two reasons. Firstly, it is a test event for the London Olympic Regatta next year. Next year, in the accommodation that you're staying in, athletes from around the world will be staying there because it'll be an official Olympic village. They'll be racing for their Olympic medals down at the course that you're competing on to win Olympic medals. This year it's vital that we test all the processes and systems to make sure the next year's regatta is as successful as we want it to be. So that's one reason why this event is so important. But the other reason, and I think the more important reason, is because it's the World Championships. For you,
gentlemen, welcome to the World Rowing Junior Championships for 2011! Denmark, Spain, Estonia, France, Great Britain, Georgia, Germany, Hungary, Ireland.
She's obviously a bit nervous, but she's got a massive audition later on in the week, so a big hand for Katie.
How do I take this? Oh. Hello. Oh my word. Hello. I can't believe you. Oh wow. I do have a big audition, and I've been talking about it rather a lot, which is maybe a silly thing to do. Okay, off we go. Maestro. Wash out 44 pairs of socks and have them hanging on the line. I can start tonight in 2 dozen shirts before you can count from 1 to 9. I can scoop up a great big dipper lot from the drippings can, throw it in the skillet, go out, do my shopping, and be there very fast in the pan, 'cause I'm a woman. W-O-M-A. I'll say it again. I can rub and scrub this house until it's shining like a dime. Beat the baby, grease the car, and powder my face at the same time. Get all dressed up, go out and sing till 4 a.m. and then lay down at 5, jump up at 6, and start all over again. I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. Hey,
You baby, so on the lonely nights I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh baby, don't bring me down, I pray, oh pretty baby. Now let me down to stay, so let me know you, baby. Let me know you. Olivia, Olivia, Olivia.
Thank you.